Hey friends, welcome back to channel. In today's video, we will discuss about top 10 best harem anime of 2015 to 2020 so far. And like always, I'm uploading video daily. So if you are new on this channel, be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon. And if you enjoyed this video, then please show love by likes and comment. Okay friend, without wasting any more time, let's get start this video.
So are you gonna die today? Make it out alive. I feel it in my veins. It's not going away. Take me high and I'll single you. Make every
Number 10, Peter Gill to Kinjo no Jikan 2020. This is the newest, latest best harem anime. Peter Gill is known throughout the land as the world's strongest fighter. He has a girlfriend who is steadily trying to get closer with. Life is good for him until he realizes that dozens of women wants to bear strong children and are all vying for his seat. I hope all of you understand this. Number 9, Arifureta 2019. This anime is best because it is Isekai harem plus OPMC. The ordinary life of 17-year-old otaku Hajime Nagumo is disrupted when he and his classmate are summoned to a fantasy world and tasked with saving mankind, while his classmates are gifted with impressive abilities useful in combat. Hajime is patented for only getting an inferior or lower transmutation skill that lacks any real offensive power. During an expedition in the Great Orcus Labyrinth, it is kind of a dungeon. Hajime is betrayed by one of his classmates, plummeting into him the bottom of an abyss. Though he survives the fall, Hajime is faced with menacing monster and misfortune that send him spiraling into a grim nightmare. Desperate to leave and return home one day, he resolved to fight for his survival, only to meet an imprisoned vampire he names Yue, who is also seeking to escape the labyrinth. Taking an interest in him, Yue and few others along the way accompany Hajime on his journey to find a way back home, while steadily transforming from commonplace to the world's strongest. Number 8, Kawaii Kerewa Hentai Domo 2019. Are you looking for ichi harem? So this is one of the best. As far as this goes, many boys, especially in their teenage years, wants to have a girlfriend. Kaiki Kirua is no exception. One eventful afternoon, his days of earning for a lover seems to come to an end when he receives a love letter from an anonymous sender along with a pair of white panties. To determine the identity of his secret admirer, refers to as Cinderella, he proceeds to investigate several possible candidates, including his senior Sayuki Tokihara, his underclassmate Yuka Koga, and his classmate Mao Nanjo. However, as Saiki seeks to uncover who this mysterious girl might be, he comes to know about the perverted fetishes hidden behind each candidate's innocent exterior. Number 7, Conception 2018. It is also one of the isekai anime with OPMC plus harem. On his high school graduation day, Isuki Kuzon Mahura tells him that she is pregnant. Just then, a gate of light emerges and transported the two into the world of Granvenia. In this land, impurities have been causing a disturbance to the stars, ultimately plunging Gravenia into chaos and disorder. And Isuki, now revealed to be the one who is fated to meet with the Star Maiden, is seen as Gravenia's last hope and was thus given the task to produce star children and combat the impurities. And unless the task is complete, Isuki may never be able to return home. Number 6, The Master of Ragnarok and Blessed of Angihar 2018. Some urban legends are best left untested. Yuto So gets more than he bargained for when he joins his childhood friend Mitsuki Shimoya in testing out an urban legend. When he uses his phone to take a picture of himself with the local shrine divine mirror, he is whisked off into the another world. One heavenly step into the lore of the world Norse myth. Using his knowledge gained from his school and from his solar power smartphone, he has a chance to bring the Wolf clan, the same people who cared for him, the prominence, all while earning the adoration of a group of magic building warriors maiden known as Anjahar. Number 5. Cupid's Chocolate 2018. Jiang Ho Yai, a normal high school student who is extremely scared of getting into trouble, suddenly becomes the harem king of his school and gets confessed by a bunch of beautiful girls. The worst thing is, Jiang Ho doesn't know any of the girls who confess to him what on the earth is happening. Number 4. Yuragi So no Yuna-san 2018. Once a hot spring inn, now a boarding house with extraordinarily cheap rent, Yuragi So is virtually uninhabited save for a few peculiar residents. As rumor has it, it is haunted by a wild ghost which scares away all potential tenants. Therefore, it is a perfect refuge for Fuyozora Kogarashi, a broke, homeless psychic seeking an affordable roof to stay under and goes to exercise. Kogarashi prepared for a face-off against the ghost, only to find out it is not as malicious as the rumors made it out be. Instead, it is the ghost of a beautiful silver-haired girl whose only recollection of her life before that is her name, Yuna. Even more baffling is that the other tenants of Yuragi So not only able to see Yuna as well, but each has their own supernatural abilities. Amidst the cause caused by his quirky fellow residents, Kogarashi attempts to uncover the regret that keeps Yuna anchored to the world of living, lest she becomes an evil spirit sentenced to spend her afterlife in hell. Number 3. In a different world with a smartphone 2017. I hope guys all of you enjoying this, and if you really enjoy this then please show your love by likes and comments. Okay friends, in a thoughtless blunder, God accidentally strikes down Toya Mochizuki with a stray bolt of lightning. As an apology, gods offer him one wish and a chance to live again in a magical fantasy world. Toya happily accepts the offer and for his one wish asks only to keep his smartphone with him. As he begins his journey into this mysterious world, starting over in this new world, Toya finds it is filled with magic, which has an affinity for and cute girls vying for his attention. These girls are the twins Lenje and ALJ Silhoska, Yumina Ornia Belfast, Lean, and Yei Kokunoya. Provide Toya with no end of romantic frustrations but also companionship as he discovers the secret of this new world. Number 2. Undefeated Bahamut Chronicle 2016. Lux, a former prince of empire named Arcadia that was overthrown via a rebellion 5 years earlier, now accidentally trespasses into a female dormitory bathing area, sees the kingdom's new princess Lesharte nag. Incurring her wrath, Lesharte then challenges Lux to a dragon ride duel. Dragon rides are the ancient armored mechanical weapons that have been excavated from ruins all around the world. Lux used to be called the strongest Dragon Knight, but now he is known as the undefeated weakest Dragon Knight because he will absolutely not attack in battle. After his duel with Lesharte, Lux ends up attending the female-only academy and that trains Royal to be Dragon Knight. It is special because here main character transferred to girls' school. Number 1. Absolute Duo 2015. Why I choose this anime on number 1? Because he is different. In the starting he was the weakest, but then he became the super strong. And if you know the Rising of Shield hero, so this is kind of the same because he is also sealed. Okay friends, individuals who can materialize weapon from their soul are called blazers, and they attend Koharu Academy High School in order to harness their abilities. Each student is required to partner with one another in the hopes that one day the pair can attain the power of Absolute Duo. Toro Kokonoe hopes to attend this academy in order to gain power after his sister and friends were slain by a mysterious man. However, at the opening ceremony, he is forced to duel against the person sitting next to him, with the loser being expelled. As Toro prepares to give the match his all, it is not a weapon that manifests from his soul, but a shield. irregularity which catches the attention of a foreign student named Julia Sigtuna.